start with the Jaguars. They came this close to winning last week. They're 0-2. They've got all the Jalen Ramsey drama going on around this team, but they've got this rookie quarterback who is already a superstar in this league somehow, at least in this town of Jacksonville. They love him, Gardner Minshew. Can't wait to watch him play.
Let's go. Hey, get it. Hey, fuck it. Hey, back beaters. That's what we are. Back beaters on 3. 1, 2, 3. Back beaters.
After a tumultuous week off the field, it's time for football under the lights against the most familiar of division rivals. It's Jags and Titans in prime time.
Let's go. Rock out on 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Let's go.
Fourth down and a punt from Logan Cook. Penalty flag flies as Adoree Jackson has trouble. Ball is out. And Jacksonville has it near the 6 as Leon Jacobs comes away with a fumble recovery.
Oh, let's go!
Looks like this play will stand, and an early mistake by Adoree Jackson on this wet, windy night.
But the Jags have a first down now at the 7 of Tennessee. I formation. Under center is Minshew. Play fake. Looking. Goes toward the end zone. There's James O'Shaughnessy. Touchdown! A 7-yard touchdown pass from Minshew to O'Shaughnessy. And Jacksonville strikes first on a Thursday night.
Bro, you got that. You just took off running.
Yeah. I don't know what to do with my hands.
Play fake. Gardner drops the throw. Fires deep, right side. That ball is caught by D.D. Westbrook.
And that's a big-time catch there for D.D. of 26 yards.
How about the big-time throw? I mean, goodness gracious.
Here's one for the end zone. Chark, he's got it. Touchdown, what a throw. And the legend has grown a little bit more.
If you're a Jags fan, you better get your popcorn ready because this guy's something.
It's the chart. It's the chart. It's the chart. It's the chart.
What I tell you? What I tell you?
I mean all day. I mean all day. Destroyed him every time.
Henry, the running back, under center is Mariota. 38 seconds to play in the quarter. They give it to Henry, and Calais Campbell eats him alive at the 40-yard line. Great work by Calais, got off a block and tackled Derrick Henry back at the 40. 3rd and 24 from the 40 of Jacksonville. Shotgun for Mariota. Drops the throw, it's a blitz. He is going to get hit, and he is going to get sacked. Calais Campbell got him again. Calais is out of his mind in this game, back at the 46-yard line.
Calais Campbell has gotten off the ball so fast on that play that he is in Mariota's face immediately, and Mariota doesn't even have a chance to get rid of that ball.
You know what time it is! You know what time it is! You ain't told you! Turn up! Turn up!
And that'll be the final play of the first half. A good half for Jacksonville. Jaguars lead it 14-0.
This first drive, I think, is really important. We started fast in the first quarter. You want to come out fast. Don't give the Titans any momentum. This is a big defensive series for the Jags.
Henry, the running back, 2 tight ends set. They go left to right. Under center is Mariota. Play fake, he drops to throw. The Jags blitz, and the Jags are going to get there. They blitzed on the first play of the second half, and they swallow him. It's a 6-yard loss.
Well, and that's a nice job there up front. It's hard sometimes to rush the passer on 1st and 10, but Calais Campbell is the initial pressure, and then Darius and Leon Jacobs clean it up.
They're going to go for it on 4th down. 4th and 6 from the 11 of Jacksonville. Shotgun, trips left. 4-man front for the Jags. They send 4. They're going to get to him and sack him. So Calais Campbell got him again. Calais is a man possessed today. Another sack for Calais, and the Jags take over on down.
Well, and that's his second one of the game, and this one's certainly bigger because it's on 4th down and it keeps the Tennessee Titans off of the scoreboard. That's a big-time play by Calais, and he just flat out beats the replacement right guard, Jamil Douglas. He beat him earlier in the game, and he's beaten him again.
Calais Campbell, that's a hell of a job, baby. We need you all that way. Now, I told you, we want that ball back. We need the ball. Bring that ball to me. Bring the ball.
Jags take over at the 20-yard line. Offset I. Under center is Minshew. Dropping to throw against a blitz. Fires along the right sideline. Leaping attempt by DJ Chark. DJ made the catch on the right sideline at the 44-yard line of Tennessee. Now Josh Lambo on for a 40-yard field goal attempt from the right hash. Out of the hold of Logan Cook. High snap, gets it down. Josh kicks it up. And the 40-yard field goal is good.
Yes, sir. Keep us going, man. Keep us going. Done yet. Yeah, we are. 38 left. Keep us going. Keep us going. Keep us going. Get him again. Let's go, baby. Jacksonville's back, baby. I thought we was gone. We back. Let's go.
3rd and 9 from the 39. The Jags send 4. He drops. He's going to get hit. He's going to try and run it out of there to the ball. The ball came out, and then he fell on it himself. That's going to go as a sack.
That's a heck of a rush by Josh Allen against the right tackle, Jack Conklin. He powers him back, comes off to the inside, and he's the one who swats the ball out. And it's out on the ground, and it's loose, and Mariota does a heads-up job of making the recovery.
17-zip. Jacksonville leads it. So Tennessee in a hurry. 4-man rush as he drops to throw. Moves around in the pocket, going to get hit, going to get sacked again. Who else? Calais Campbell helped out by Josh Allen. A monster game for Calais.
Yeah, Calais is just dominating every player he lines up against. That's 6 sacks in the night for Jacksonville.
So the Jags take over. They lead 20-7. Running play to Leonard Fournette. Lowered his shoulder, broke out of there. Leonard into the open field. 40, 45, 50, into Titans territory. 40, 35, 30, 25, 20. Leonard Fournette tackled inside the 10-yard line. Terrific run by Leonard Fournette. It'll be a first down at the Tennessee 9-yard line.
Mariota is sacked yet again. Juwan Smoot is the first one there, and that is 9 sacks for this Jacksonville defense. What a night as they get back to their Saxonville ways.
And that will do it. This one belongs to Duval. Jacksonville wins it 20-7 over the Tennessee Titans.
What? I'm thirsty, Hop! Hey, we just getting started. Yeah. We just getting started. Come on. We going places, baby. Hey, let me get an ooh-wee on 3. Hey, 1, 2, 3.